With learning the Uzbek dance, I got a hitchhike. In the middle of the desert, they dropped me off. And what do I need to do? Welcome on my world trip. I'm now in the middle of the desert. They ended the road here, or the drive, because I stopped here. So they're now figuring out if we can catch a ride with some friends of them to Buchara. Otherwise I need to hitchhike, but I'm in the middle of the desert, so that's a bit scared. And luckily the people from the petrol station helped me and I got a ride again. Welcome in Buchara. This boy had an adventure day, 9 hours of hitchhiking, standing in the middle of the desert on a petrol station, getting in a new bus, getting in another bus without knowing where it's going, but it was just 8 cents, so. Welcome to this beautiful space. Buchara is known for one of the most important cities in Uzbekistan because of the history and the culture that is there. In my journey I have a lot of thoughts and need to make a lot of decisions every day, like everyone. And now I'm so done with city. It is so freaking hot every day. It's getting hotter and hotter. So in the next coming weeks it will be getting hotter and 50 Celsius or even 60 Celsius degrees. So I'm leaving this city and I'm going to the mountains. And I do not expect that they're a bit colder, but I have waterfall and some lakes where I can swim and can do some hiking. And maybe I will not go to Samarkand or other big cities, just go to the nature. That's what I really love, nature. So for today I did not plan to hitchhike. We'll take public transport. I'm into that for now. So I'm now going to, I hope to find a bus station. That's also an adventure, and then take a bus, and I hope there's buses going to the mountain area. It's there. It's my taxi. And I need to wait until there are 4 more persons or 3 more persons, because he wants to have his taxi full. So I'm sitting here waiting for other people, and if there are other people then we can go. Yeah, it's different. Yeah, it's different. They said there was no bus. I cannot believe there is no bus, but okay, I don't know. I asked a lot of people and everybody was pointing again in another direction to another bus, and I was going to that bus and the bus driver saying, no, I don't go there, I don't go there. Taxi, 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 taxi. I really don't know. And actually it's quite weird because I cannot read their language. It's such a lot of waiting. For environment it's really good because the taxi is full and the car is used pretty well, but you need to wait very long, not knowing when you're going. So actually I'm now in a village where the first time in like 6 weeks, 5-6 weeks, I heard a mosque. Yeah, and that's because of the special day maybe, but never heard a mosque in those 5 weeks. The mountain in front of me is beautiful, must say. Please, someone tell me that I'm dreaming. I have like the feeling, okay, live in the moment, enjoy it, but at the same time I'm like, whoa. After 2 months I'm cycling again with Nazar. He's there. So, stone, no, beton,
no. Wacht, in August.
Cold. So in all those months I learned a bit Russian. But having a conversation, it's not easy, as you can hear. I did meet Nazar in my guest house and he showed me around. Wow, those people are living here. I'm like flabbergasted. Ah, cuckoo! Oh. Birds. Cuckoo. And waf, dog. They are trying to let the birds fly away for my shot. I don't know why. Ah! Wow. Salam alaikum. So since the most people in Uzbekistan are Muslim, you greet people with Salam alaikum. Baba! Ah, she wants to go together. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Russia. Ah, Motra Russia. Da. Ah, so cute. Wow. Natural. Ooh. I was surprised by the fact seeing green area in the middle of the desert. And there, on the left of the shot, those people are living over here, in the middle of the freaking desert. Wow. This is what I really love. This is traveling. A few hours before I was sitting at home with some pain in my stomach. And a few hours after I'm riding a donkey. I could never imagine to do that. Oh my god, the family there together. They are looking so freaking happy off.
Smetana, good smetana. Natural.
Fresh.
Natural.
Oh my gosh, Rahman. People are making stuff by themselves. So this family offered us some homemade yogurt. So sweet. They're working together with their cows, sheep, and goats in the middle of the desert. Welcome to San Job. Again, I don't know if I pronounce it right, but hey, welcome in this beautiful area. This is what I wanted: mountains, hiking, and water. And it's all here. It's freaking hot, so I get up early, or for me it's early, 7 o'clock, and 8 o'clock I left, and now I'm already 5 kilometers on my way. And I will hike today to a lake up in the mountains, and if I expect it right, I get there like around 11 o'clock. I can spend my day there up in the mountain, chilling, swimming, I hope, and then going down again. I asked my guest house owner if she won't make a picnic for my lunch. She took her job very serious, and I love it. This is, come on. Fruit, cucumber, tomato, some bread, pancakes, cookies, potatoes, eggs. Wow. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. She did an amazing job. Thank you. It's so freaking beautiful here. It's amazing. Almost a baby. Wow. You can see the desert, and after that, the big lake. In this hike, this is super nice. They have like, from the bottom of the mountain is water always coming up. And they have a few places where the water is coming out of the mountain. And here is one of the places, so I can refill my bottle. A donkey or a horse is a pretty common way to travel yourself around in village. Wow. Again, I say that, I think I say it a lot, but wow. This walk is so great. Completely silence. I do not use podcasts, whatever, just walking and walking. It's really good. I miss this. I missed it, this, I mean, because like in cities and in desert, nope, I don't like. I like it for a few days, but then it's over. But desert is there waiting for me. Tomorrow I going there, take and then Tashkent is supposed to be somewhere there, far, far, far away. And to go out of here, we take a taxi, shared taxi, and we like the Italian people and I. And from the first city, I hitchhike to Tashkent, I think. We'll see. Thanks for watching and enjoy your day.